Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are at CVS about to get into this week's deals. We got some interesting stuff going on at CVS this week. There are a bunch of deals. I'm going to try to move through them as quickly as possible because I need to get my tail home. So we're going to start off with a hair care deal. This deal is this spend 30 get $10 off. So this is a coupon that everyone should be getting at the red box machine. It is the instant coupon that should take $10 off any purchase of L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Garnier. Now, there has been some hiccups that have been reported with this coupon so far. A lot of people have saying that it has not been attaching. I read on one of my favorite CVS blog sites that the L'Oreal Ever hair care products are not coded properly with this deal, but I am going to try it anyway. If it doesn't work out, guess what, y'all? It is getting left here. The only reason I still want to try it anyway is because it should be a super duper moneymaker if it does work out. So the first deal we're going to do is on the L'Oreal Ever. So we're going to get $15 worth of these products. These are 2 for $15, but we have a $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, and I will have where these coupons are listed in the printable breakdown below that Google document. So we're going to grab 2 of these 2 for $15, and we are going to use this $5 off of 2. Then we're going to grab 2 of the L'Oreal Aleve. These are 2 for $8. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you're going to get back a $5 extra care buck on that right there, so that's awesome. But these are 2 for $8, and when you buy 2 you're going to get back a $4 extra care buck. We have a $3 off of 2 paper coupon on these. If you have not used your digital, the digital may attach along with the paper coupon, making this an even bigger money maker for you. But you guys know I used my digital coupon on last week. And then finally, I'm going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis. So these are 2 for $7, but we're getting back a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. I'm going to use our $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon on these babies. So all of this should now total up to $30. Okay, you guys, so this is my complete $30 deal. So we have a total of exactly $30 in hair care products. The L'Oreal Aleve is 2 for $8. The Everpure is 2 for $15, and then the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. So that is $30. So we should be able to use this $10 off coupon, which should bring that down to $20. And then we have all of our manufacturer coupons right here as well. So this is going to take off another $11. So that is going to leave us paying $9 for all 6 of these products, but we should get back $11 total. We should get back a total of $4 for the Aleve. We should get $5 back for the Everpure, and we should get $2 back for the Garnier Fructis, making all of these a $2 money maker. Now, if you have that digital for the L'Oreal Aleve, this is going to be a $5 money maker for you. If you also use that paper coupon, yes, y'all, that's winning. So I hope that $10 off coupon will work on this deal. If not, like I said, it will be right there at the register. Next up, we're going to do a nice money maker on the Covergirl. So the Covergirl products this week are actually buy 2 and get back a $7 extra care buck with a limit of 1. So we're going to buy 2 of these pencils because they are the cheapest product. They are $5.99. I am going to use 2 $3 off coupons. I have a printable coupon, and I'm going to use a digital coupon. That's going to leave me paying $5.98, but I'm going to get back a $7 extra care buck, making these babies free, plus a $1 money maker. And I am going to use that $1 money maker on some Tide in just a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to do this deal on the Skintimate razors, which is a nice freebie this week. I passed on this deal last week because it wasn't free, but I'm going to do it this week because it is free $99. So the Skintimate razors are on a spend 15, get back $5 extra care buck deal. These are also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So what I'm going to do is get 2 of the razors that are $9.99. So I'm going to buy one at $9.99, the other one at $4.99 with with that 98% rule, that will still be close enough to $15. At some of your stores, these may be priced higher, so you won't have to worry about the 98% rule. So that's going to be $14.98. I'm going to use two $3 off coupons. I have a digital and one printable, and I'm going to use this $4 off of two Skintimate CRT for disposable razors. That's going to take off a total of $10 in coupon savings, leaving me just to pay $4.98, but then I'll get back $5, making these babies absolutely free. The next deal on my list is the Poise products. So these are on sale for $5.99 this week, but we have a $3 off digital coupon, which makes them $2.99. And then you're going to get back a $2 extra care buck, making the final price for these just 99 cents. The next deal on our list is an awesome money maker on the Aleve. So the money makers are just rolling this week, you guys. So the Aleve, I have to move this out the way, is $8.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. These are the 50 count boxes. And when you spend $20, you're going to get back a $8 extra care buck. In today's inserts in the Smart Source, we got $4 off manufacturer coupons on any product 40 count or higher, and we can use up to 4 of these. So that is awesome. So we're going to buy 3 boxes. That's going to total us about $21.22. I'm going to use 3 of those $4 off coupons and a 3 off of 12 pain relief CRT. That's going to leave me paying just $6.22, and then I'm going to get back $8, making these babies not only free, but free plus a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so now let's get into this spend 20, get back $5 in household products deal. So this is one of my favorite deals to do. We are going to use all of this money that we have been making today on some household products. So the first thing I want to grab is some Unstoppables. So the Unstoppables are $4.94, and we have a $1 off manufacturer coupon that you can find in your May P&G, or we have a digital coupon as well. I'm going to grab one of these as the first item in the deal and use this $1 coupon from the May P&G. The next items we're going to grab in this deal is 3 bags of Tide Pods. So the Tide Pods are $4.94, and we have a number of different $2 coupons that you can use. So I'm going to grab 3 bags. I'm going to use 1 paper coupon from the P&G. I also have a printable coupon that I'll show you in just a second, and I have a digital coupon. So I'm going to use 1 of each. That's going to bring us close enough to $20. All right, you guys, so here's my little spend 20 deal. I got all 4 of these products. So I have 3 bags of the Tide Pods, and I have 1 of the Downy Unstoppables. So this is going to total up to $19.76, and I am going to use the 98% rule. Hopefully you guys know what that is by now. If not, check the Google document, and I will have a little link to an article that explains what the 98% rule is. But what it means in short is, as long as I am at 98% of the required threshold, my extra care buck will still print. So this is $19.76 in product, which is over 98%. So we're going to use the following coupons. So we have a printable coupon for $2 off, 1 from the May P&G, and then I also have a digital. Then I'm going to use my $1 coupon from the May P&G on the Downy Unstoppables. That's going to make my out of pocket for this $12.76, but I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making it $7.76 for all 4 products. So we're going to make just about the same amount of money that this is going to cost. These should end up being almost free after we get our money makers in. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are grabbing today. I have all of my coupons already pulled. So we have our Spend 30 Haircare deal right here. Let us pray over that. And then we have our Covergirl, we got our Skintimate razors, our Aleve, our Poise, and then our Spend 20 Get Back 5 household deal. I will be doing 2 different transactions today to reduce my out of pocket. So I have all of my extra care bucks already pulled over here. I'm coming into this with $22 in extra care bucks, and we did get back $3 in a beauty buck last week, which is nice. These are going to be my first transaction, so I'm going to do everything in my first transaction except for the razors and the Tide household deal. That will be on transaction number 2. So I have all of my coupons pulled, and then I'm going to be using some digitals as well, and then this is the coupons for my second transaction. I have my razor coupons and then my household coupons already ready to go. So that is everything that we are grabbing this week. Got a nice little haul on our hands. If everything works out, this should be just about free, you guys. So let's go see what happens. Look at this, you guys. Paper products are slowly making their return to CVS. But for that price, they're gonna stay right here. $16.49 for a 6-pack, y'all. Cannot be serious. And then they also have some off-brand or some CVS brand toilet tissue, y'all. $9.99. Oh my goodness, that should be illegal, but paper products are returning. All right, you guys, so everything was going well. All of the coupons are scanning properly, and my $2 off L'Oreal digital coupon is going to come off as well, giving me an extra $2 in savings. But the hiccup came just where we thought it might come, and that is the 10 off of 30 coupon. That coupon is not playing nice, and it did not work in this deal. So as you can see, it's in the red there. That is a spend 30 telling me that my purchase quantity has not been met. So just like I said I was going to do, I scrapped this transaction, took off all of the shampoo, and we're starting over without the shampoo included. I'm repeating the transaction, but I'm going to add in 2 Tide Pods into this deal, and then I will do the other household products in my second transaction. So in transaction number 1, I just paid $3 in taxes, and I placed that on a gift card. And then in transaction number 2, my intention was to buy the 2 Skintimate razors, the Downy and the Tide Pods, to finish both of those deals. Well, y'all, my $4 off of 2 CRT for the Skintimate razors wouldn't work either. So y'all know what I did? I left the razors too. So I just got the Downy and the Tide, and I used my $7 ECB from the first transaction and paid 69 cents in tax only. All right, you guys, so this did not go how we planned. We definitely had some bumps in the road, and just like I anticipated, that 10 off of 30 did not work. So that comment on the blog was right, and the L'Oreal, Aleve, and Everpure products are not coded properly right now to work with that $10 off coupon. So hopefully they do fix that later on in the week. I might try again, or I might just save it and do a deal next week. But let me show you what I ended up doing. So here is my receipt. I still did 2 transactions to reduce my out-of-pocket. So I put 2 of my Tide Pods in my first transaction, just because deals do track. So even though I was only buying 2, I knew that I would still get my extra care buck for the deal in my second transaction. So I put 2 of those in my first transaction since I took off the Haircare to absorb my extra care buck. So I have 2 Tide Pods, the Poise, I have my Aleve, and then I got my Covergirl. And then this is all of our manufacturer coupons that did work. So we have our Tide coupons, we have our Poise coupons that came off, the Covergirl digital came off, our 3 off of 12 pain relief CRT, and then all of our extra care bucks. Unfortunately, one of my extra care bucks got reduced down. That was a $2 extra care buck, and I lost like 93 cents. Yes, y'all, 93 cents on that. But we had a subtotal of 0. So this transaction was free 99, and I put my taxes on a Fetch Rewards gift card. We had 100% savings and saved $58. And then I got back a total of $17 in extra care bucks for this deal. I got back my 8 for the Aleve. I got back the 2 for the Poise. And then I got back $7 in extra care bucks for the Covergirl. So I took the $7 extra care buck from that transaction and rolled it on to finish out my household deal. So let me show you my receipt for that, if I can get that together. So I finished out that household deal by just buying the Downy Unstoppables and the Tide Pods. So I used the $1 coupon for the Downy, the $2 for the Tide Pods. Once again, we had a zero sub total. We paid 69 cents in cash, and I had 100% savings. And then I got back my $5 in extra care bucks for the household deal. So I have my $5 extra care buck here for the household deal, and then I still have my $10 from the first transaction as well. So I'm leaving out today with $15 in extra care bucks, and both of our transactions were free, $99. We didn't pay anything but taxes today out of pocket. So even with the hiccups, still not a bad day at CVS. Still okay with it. We didn't really have to have shampoo and razors, so if those were the items to not work out, all will be well. I hope you guys have better luck than me. Please check down below for written breakdowns of these deals. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye.